Hello friends, my name is Tanuj and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are new in this channel, so don't forget to subscribe it. So friends, we will talk about the world's largest desert, the Sahara Desert. First friend, I will ask you, what is desert? So friends, I give you desert definition on your screen. Desert, it is an arid region characterized by extremely high or low temperatures. And has scarce vegetation. These are the desert areas of the world. There are many desert areas in the world which is characterized by low rainfall, scanty vegetation and extreme temperatures. The people inhabit these lands wherever little water is available to practice agriculture. The people in the Sahara Desert or in any the hottest desert, the people live wherever there little water is available to practice the agriculture. The Sahara Desert, the hottest desert in the world, the Sahara Desert, it covers a large part of North Africa. It is the world's largest desert as we know, and it has an area of about 8.54 million square kilometer. As you know friends, the second most largest country is India, and it is 3 times larger than India because India has an area of 3.2 million square kilometer and Sahara Desert has an area of 8.54 million square kilometer. The Sahara Desert touches 11 countries. As you know friends, the Sahara Desert touches 11 countries. These are Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia and Western Sahara. As you see on the map, the all 11 countries, the Sahara Desert touches 11 countries. Beside the vast stretches of sands in the Sahara Desert is covered with vast stretches of sands. It is beside these vast stretches of sand, it also has gravel plains and elevated plateaus with bare rocky surface. These rocky surface may be more than 2,500 meter high at some places. As you can see on your screen, the rocky surface has a view one image on your screen. It has the Sahara Desert, the rocky surface in the Sahara Desert has an height or to 2,500 meter or high. You will be surprised friends to know that present day Sahara Desert. You will be surprised to know that present day Sahara once used to be a lush green plain. It is a lush green plain in the past, but cave paintings, how we will prove that? So we have also proof that cave paintings in Sahara Desert show that there used to be rivers with crocodiles. Elephants, lions, giraffes, ostriches, sheep, cattle and goats were common animals when the Sahara Desert is a lush green plain, but the changing climate has changed it to a very hot and dry region. This is the reason behind the change of the lush green plain of Sahara to a hot and dry region. Al Azizia, as you know or not know friends, Al Azizia in the Sahara Desert south of Tripoli, Libya, recorded the highest temperature of 57.7 degrees Celsius in 1922. In 1922, the Sahara Desert recorded Al Azizia place. There is the highest temperature of the each all time 57.7 degrees Celsius in 1922. Now we will talk friends about the flora and fauna. So vegetation in the Sahara Desert includes cactus. Many vegetation in the Sahara Desert. So vegetation in the Sahara Desert includes cactus, date palms and acacia. As you can see the spellings names in your screen. In some places there are oases. What is oasis friends? So it is a very simple definition. Oasis is a green island with date palms surrounding them. Oasis is a green island with a date palms surrounding them. As you can see on your screen, the photo or the image of an oasis. The oasis in the Sahara and the Nile Valley. The oasis in the Sahara and the Nile Valley in Egypt support settled population. So the people can grow date plants. Crops such as rice, wheat, barley, and beans are also grown. If many oases in the Sahara and the Nile Valley in Egypt support settled population, and so because of the oases in the deserts, the people can grow many crops in the Sahara such as rice, wheat, barley, and beans. As you know, friends, now we will talk about the fauna, flora and fauna. So, friends, camels, hyenas, jackals, foxes, scorpions, many varieties of snakes and lizards are the prominent animal species living here. Camels, hyenas, jackals, foxes, scorpions, many varieties of snakes and lizards are the prominent animal species living on the Sahara Desert. Now I will ask you one question as you can answer on your comment box. So what the desert in the past? Scientists have actually found skeletons of fish in the desert. In this desert, the scientists have actually found skeletons of fish. So what could you have happened? What could you think that what could happen in the past of the Sahara Desert? Comment the answer. The Sahara Desert, despite its harsh climate, has inhabited by various groups of people. As we know, in the desert, various groups of people live. But in the Sahara Desert, there are many nomadic tribes. But the two main groups of nomadic tribes are the Bedouins and Tuaregs. As you see the pictures of the peoples living in the Sahara Desert, they not have any business, so they rear livestock such as goat, sheep, camel, and horse. The animals provide them with milks, hides from which they make leather for belts, slippers, water bottles. Hair is used for mats, carpets, clothes, and blankets. They wear very heavy robes. As you can see on your screen there, they wear very heavy robes as protection against dust storms and hot wind. The oases in the Sahara and the Nile Valley in Egypt support settled population. As we see in our video, that oases in the Sahara and the Nile Valley in Egypt supports a settled population. Egyptian cotton is famous worldwide, is grown in Egypt. The discovery of oil has changed all the Sahara Desert people lifestyle. The discovery of oil, a product in great demand throughout the world. As we know that the product is in the great demand throughout the world in Algeria, Libya, and Egypt, is constantly transforming the Sahara Desert. The oil constantly transforming the Sahara Desert. Other minerals of importance that are found in the area include iron, phosphorus, manganese, and uranium. The cultural landscape of the Sahara is undergoing change. Means the cultural landscape, as we see the tribes culture, were undergoing change. Gleaming glass cased office buildings, towers over mosques, and super high crisscross the ancient animal parts. The Sahara is developing from the discovery of oil. Trucks are replacing camels in the salt trade. In the salt trade, trucks are replacing the camels. Trucks helps more speedily than the camels. Tuaregs, as we know, the nomadic tribes Tuaregs are seen acting as guides to foreign tourists. Tuaregs nomadic tribes acting as they doing their job as guides to foreign tourists. More and more nomadic herdsmen are taking to city life. More and more nomadic herdsmen in the Sahara Desert are transforming or settling in the cities, in the developed cities, to find the jobs in oil and gas operations. They are finding jobs in the oil and gas operation. This is how the Sahara Desert is changing. Thank you friends for watching this video.